Welcome to the ultimate summer fun experience, our nautical themed water park. It's a paradise of joy and laughter, carefully designed for maximum enjoyment and safety. This park is puncture resistant, easy to assemble, and meets the highest safety standards. Imagine the countless moments of joy, laughter, and memories that your kids can create for years to come. It's not just about the physical attributes of the water park. It's about the priceless moments and memories it can create. So why wait? Bring home the endless joy, laughter, and memories today with our nautical themed water park. Click the link in the description to get your water park now.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Be sure to check out our new website funtottoys.com, where we offer a wide variety of fun and educational toys for children.